Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will walk you through how to build a website using Square Online in 2025. Step by step, it's perfect for small businesses, restaurants, or anyone wanting to sell online for free or low cost. Let's dive in. Square Online is a free website builder made by the same folks behind Square POS. You can sell products and services, take food orders, accept bookings and appointments, or just build a basic information website. It's beginner friendly and doesn't need any coding. First of all, head over to squareup.com and click on Get Started button in the top menu. You will need to sign in or create a free account. Once you are enter your email address, enter password, and click I agree to Square's terms and privacy. Then if you have an account, click on sign in button, then enter your credentials like email and passwords, then click sign in. Once you are in, verify your email, go to your email inbox, then click verify email. For the first time, log in, then continue Square, and you can add phone number from here, create a passkey, and select your time zone. Then click submit. Enter again your password, then confirm. Once you are in, what Square will ask you a few questions. What are you selling? Where are you selling? What's your business name? After that, it will automatically take you into the website editor. Before begin setting the personal set up your personal details from here. Now you are inside the website builder, and Square Online uses sections kind of like blocks. Enter your phone number here. And continue. Once you are in, you will see default pages like home, shop, or menu, contact. You can edit and add more pages anytime. Let's customize. Click any section to edit text, images, or buttons. Change the site title logo by clicking the header. Upload your logo by clicking the header. Next, scroll to the main banner. Update the headline, background images, and add a call to action like shop now or order online. Use the plus button to add more sections like image galleries, testimonials, social media links, maps, or contact forms. To accept payment, go to settings, checkout. Square is the default processor. Just connect your bank account to get paid. You can also enable Apple Pay and Google Pay, PayPal, Afterpay. Then go to settings and general to update your business information, shipping options, and text settings. Ready to go live? Click on publish button in the top right corner. Want a custom domain like your businessname.com? Click domains, and you can buy one from Square or connect one you already own. Your site is now live. That's it. You have just built a website with Square online in 8 minutes, under 8 minutes, and that's it. Thanks for watching.